How to hide WhatsApp application on your device. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. On your home screen, go ahead and navigate to the WhatsApp application and tap hold on it. You will then see the option for require Face ID. So tap on the require Face ID option and you will then see the option for hide and require Face ID. So tap on the hide and require Face ID option you see there and you will be required to enter your Face ID. So go ahead and enter your Face ID, and once entered, you will be required to tap on the hide app option again. And with this, as you can see, WhatsApp application is no longer available on your home screen. Now, if you go to your app library and search for WhatsApp there too, then you will not be able to search for the WhatsApp application. So in order to simply go ahead and unhide the app, go to your app library again and scroll down to the bottom and you will see the hidden tab. Tap on the hidden tab and you will be required to unlock the hidden tab again. So go ahead and unlock the hidden tab and you will see the option for WhatsApp. So if you want to unhide it, simply tap hold on the WhatsApp application and you will see the option for add to home screen, and then tap on the unhide option you see there, and with this, WhatsApp will be unhidden again. So this was about how you can hide WhatsApp application. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.